We've got the DJI Action Camera 4, we've got the Rode wireless microphones, and today I'm going to show you how to connect these up together. So to do this, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need your Rode wireless receiver, you're going to need your wireless microphone, and you're going to need a Type-C USB cable. So let's get things connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my receiver and I'm going to plug it into the USB port on the DJI Action Camera. Now they're connected. You can see our microphone is connected to that receiver, and then this green line here is the microphone, as this camera does actively try to reduce noise or get the optimum noise. So if I tap of the mic, you can see it's going red, saying it's too loud. So this hopefully should moderate your microphone as well. But I do know that obviously the DJI mic doesn't need a receiver, but a lot of people that are into video making already have these wireless mics, and instead of going out and buying new ones, it's nice to repurpose them. So this has just been a quick video showing you how to connect these microphones up so you don't have to go out and buy brand new ones.